So I have a lot of buyers that ask me like, how do I find the best interest rates and all of those things? Nope. Okay. So I have a lot of buyers that ask me like, how do I find the best rates and mortgage programs and things like that? Well, a lot of people will shop around. They'll call a million different places and try to figure out who is best for them. However, having a mortgage broker like Andi is actually so much more helpful.
Absolutely. I mean, saving you time and money. I have access to over 150 different lenders, wholesale lenders, banks, credit unions to find you the best deal, saving you time and money.
So she's totally doing the shopping for you, which makes it so much easier. Okay, so Andi, where does a credit score have to be in order to get qualified?
So the better your credit, the better terms you're going to qualify for. However, we can work with credit scores all the way down to 500, just depending on different factors. What's driving your score down to 500. With 10% down payment, FHA is a great program.
Okay, I like that. So what happens if I have a lot of debt? Like, I don't know if I have too much debt. Like, what happens if I have a lot?
Well, it's going to depend what type of debt you have. We're going to look at the minimum monthly payments, and that's what's factored into your debt to income ratio. Different mortgage programs have different ratio requirements, but we can have a conversation about, what we can do to get you into the loan that you're hoping to get into.
Okay, so how much money do I have to make? Like, what if I don't make that much money, or what if I make too much money? Is that even possible?
Different programs have different requirements. You can never make too much money. I mean, that's a great.
That was a dumb question.
That's a great problem to have, but you may not qualify for some of the programs that require you to make under the 80% area average income, area median income. So I think let's point on that, because this is my favorite program.
Okay.
My favorite program is it's a conventional loan for people that are income eligible, meaning they make under 80%.
So what do I do next? Like, what kind of documents do you need from me?
So we're going to talk about your income. Are you a W-2 employee? Do you receive a 1099? What kind of income do you receive? We want to get a 2-year history. So if you're a W-2 employee, we're going to look at a 2-year job history, pay stubs, your base salary, bonus, commission. We're going to look at all of it.
That's awesome. Also, if you're thinking about buying a house anytime in the near future, you want to make sure that you stay financially stable.
Absolutely. You don't want to make any big financial decisions, buy a new car or change your job necessarily.
Yeah, and like I've heard, don't even open up a new credit card.
Yeah, let's not have your credit ran too many times.
Yeah.
Let's keep your utilization low.
All right, let's go buy those houses. Okay, so you want to see houses with me this weekend? I'm telling you, it doesn't take you very long.
You just got to get pre-approved. So if you send me your documents in the morning, I'll probably have your pre-approval to you later that day.
Quick and easy, like me.
Jesus.